welcome back to our vlog. Today we are diving into one of the Bhubaneswar's coolest place, the Science Park at the Regional Science Center in Acharya Vihar. Imagine a place where you can play, explore and learn all at once. That's exactly what this place offers. Spread over 8 acres, it's packed with interactive exhibits that make science super fun and hands-on. From quirky gadgets to mind-bending puzzles, there's something here for everyone, whether you are a curious kid or just a kid at heart. So grab your friends, so did we. Pack your curiosity like us and let's explore the wonders of science together. And so welcome everyone to Regional Science Center. And this is our team. I am Aditi.
I'm Adyasha. I'm Ranjana.
I am Bhatto.
I am Jitun.
And let's start the vlog!
Yo!
So basically, this model explains how reflex action works. Just as we saw the uncle placing 2 hands on these metallic palms, we felt a mild shock from these open circuits, and because of which our nerve impulse caused by the pain passes to the spinal cord and transmits a message to the brain to remove his hands immediately from the metallic palms. This is a gravity well. As I am rolling the steel ball inside the periphery of the well, we can observe that the steel ball keeps on moving the elliptical path keeping the central well as focus. This represents the planet as they move in the elliptical path around the sun. At the Motion Gallery, we explored various scientific exhibits that showed various fields of science, from the movement of planets and satellites to the behavior of tiny particles. There were fascinating models on wave patterns, pendulums, gears, and Newton's law in action. One section even had optical illusions that played with our sense of motion.
So this model is based on Newton's first law of motion, where you can see that here is a disc and there is a ball inside this disc. So when I am applying a force into this disc, now the ball is moving with the disc. When an external force is applied now, that is I am stopping this disc, you can see that the ball is continuously moving due to its property of inertia of motion. That is what Newton's first law is about, that if a body is in motion, it will remain in motion until an external force is applied.
Keep them both in the top. So here comes Newton's second law of motion. So what it is there is 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. The part 2 have more mass and the part 1, this carriage, have less mass. So now Jitun is applying the force, then this force is now reflected in this string force. So what will happen is, as F is equals to ma, so here Jitun is applying more force and the mass is also more. So here the acceleration will be less and here acceleration will be more. So now you can observe it. Jitun, please leave it. So this one goes faster and this one goes slower. Thank you.
This is the application of Newton's third law. They are moving each other opposite direction.
At the end end of the day, this project was about more than just a blog. It was about collaboration, creativity, and stepping out of our comfort zones. We walked away with new skills, stronger friendship, and a deeper appreciation for both science and teamwork. तो बाबू मुसाई, जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, लंबी नहीं.
Guys,
Wow!
We are here for Girls' Day Out. Only 2 girls and no one else. हम नहीं खेलेंगे.
खेल भाई, तुम खेलो, जरूर खेलो.
खड़े हो, खड़े बैठ मत, खड़े हो, खड़े हो.
गीला हुआ है जो सुखाना हो, चाहे जनाना या मर्दाना हो.
देख क्या रहे हो?
खत्म!